Oh, what do we have here? Simple traffic stop turns into 13 charges.
Hi, ma'am. You have your driver's license registration with you?
Yes, sir, I do.
And the reason I'm pulling you over is because of that red light. And you almost caused an accident. Okay?
Okay.
Where y'all headed to?
Home. I'm so sorry. We were literally heading home.
Where are you coming from?
We were up at Applebee's.
Do you have the registration and the insurance as well?
Yes.
How much did you have to drink today?
We just started. No, we just got off work, and
Okay. Okay, that's not it. That's your dental insurance and something else.
I'm sorry.
So you're saying you had nothing to drink today?
Registration?
Thank you, ma'am. You said you had nothing to drink today?
No, not that much.
Okay. And you're saying you guys had nothing to drink today at all?
I didn't say that.
Okay.
We literally just left Applebee's.
Okay. You're saying you guys just got started, just left Applebee's. She's saying she had nothing to drink today.
No, I didn't. I'm
Okay.
driving her home.
Okay.
I'm driving her home.
Okay. And then, but you keep grabbing some of the same paperwork over and over. You see where, like, my suspicions are otherwise right now? You see why I'm thinking otherwise? That's your title. I already told you.
She's fucked up.
Okay. All right. If it led to it, would you be willing to do some field sobriety exercises, ma'am?
No.
No? Okay. That's fine if you don't want to, but just understand I have to base my determination on my initial contact with you.
I understand that, of
Okay.
course. It's
All
your
right.
job. I understand.
Okay. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you, okay?
Another officer arrives and checks to see if the suspects have found the insurance yet.
Hey, were you able to find your insurance?
What's up?
Were you able to find the insurance?
It's probably online. I have it online, though.
Okay, can we see that?
Yeah. Give me a second.
Yeah, you observed that she's intoxicated, correct?
Yes. She's already refusing to do FSCs.
Okay.
The red light's been red forever, and then she blows it, almost causes an accident. Stop her. She stops in the middle of the roadway, then turns here. While I'm talking to her, she's very slow and looking for her stuff, hands me her dental insurance card, then hands me her title, even though I told her already that title is not the registration.
Hey, can I help you? Hey, can you hop back in the car, please?
I can.
Did you find something you wanted to show?
Well, she's trying to do it, but, like, it's so stupid right now.
Sarge, I'm just going to talk to her over here.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you step out with me and just talk up here with me?
Sorry. You don't have to. Hey,
real quick.
You don't have to do.
Man, my phone always stopped working whenever I need it. Like if I'm trying to switch money over at the grocery store, that motherfucker start freezing and say you can't get in, or when you try to find your insurance for your car, your phone, and it's just taking this sweet ass time. Oh, I hate that.
That's fine. I know what it is. Why would you guys do that? It's not fair.
What's not fair?
You guys know that.
Cook
He's
for
walking
you
up there to
funny.
Talk to her real quick. You can't find. Is this your car?
No, it's her car.
Oh, okay. But you have insurance on your phone?
She has her insurance on her phone.
Oh, okay. So is this her phone?
Yeah, it's her phone.
Okay.
So what's the reason I got pulled over for?
I told you when I first pulled up, you ran the red light, almost causing an accident. And you had multiple vehicles honking the horn at you. You don't remember that?
No, I do.
Okay. You said you guys are coming from Applebee's?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you take any medication or anything today? You don't take any medication?
No.
Okay.
I work my ass off.
I believe you. I believe you. I don't doubt that. But, you know, I have some concerns. That's why I want to make sure you're not on any medications or anything like that. You see what I'm saying? Okay. And you said you had nothing to drink today, or did you have
I
anything?
drink a little bit.
Okay. What's a little bit?
You want to just have a seat back in the car then?
I guess.
But let me tell you, hey, if
Oh, this is finna go downhill fast. She said a little bit.
you holler out to her, you're interfering with the
That means a lot of bit.
and you're going to go to jail
If she
for
would have
that.
sat in the fucking car.
Well, he's got the right to ask her to get out of the car. So go ahead and have a seat in the car. Go ahead and have a seat. Watch your leg. Watch your leg.
I'm good.
We're going to close the door. Watch your
I
leg.
don't need to close
For my
the door.
safety and your safety, we're going to close.
I feel safer like this.
I understand. I'm closing the
Thank you.
door. You're interfering with my investigation. I'm closing the door.
It's
All
not
right? Watch your foot.
interfering anything.
Watch your foot.
Take her ass to jail too. See, that cop better than me, cause I would have been like, you going to jail. You going to jail. You don't want to move your foot? I bet. Take these cups and you can move your foot in the cop car.
I know my rights. So.
Yeah, I'm not violating any of your rights. You're invoking your rights then? Is that what you're saying? That you don't want to talk to me about anything?
No, I will. I'll be
Okay.
real with you. I just don't.
Okay.
I can't.
You're confusing me on what you want to do here. So,
I just go home.
okay. Well, right now I still got to do my citations and all that stuff, so that's not going to happen right now.
I understand that.
Okay.
If I leave my car here, can I Uber home?
No, we can't do all that stuff. So what's going to happen is, turn around.
You going to jail?
Pull away, please. Based on my observations, I do believe you're operating a motor vehicle under the influence.
Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Uh-oh.
Stay in the car.
Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Do anything.
I told you to stay in the car. You were.
Relax.
Yeah, she drunk too.
She didn't do anything.
Well, The thing is, you don't start charging up there towards them. Put your right hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. I'm gonna ask you again. Put your hand behind your back.
Ma'am, walk this way, please. Walk this way. Let's go.
Your girlfriend is acting irrational right now.
Can I get my phone?
We'll get that here. We'll get that here in a minute. Can I get a female?
That's got to be some good, you know what I'm saying, for her to do that.
I need a female cop. I need
Okay,
a
that's
female
what I'm
cop.
calling.
I
That's
need
what I'm
your
calling.
I need your supervisor.
She's right there, and I'm calling a female right now. We're not doing this arguing thing, okay? I have
I
done
know
nothing
my
to you,
rights.
and I'm not violating any of that.
Don't f***ing touch me. I need a female. I need a female. I need a female officer. Don't touch her. Don't touch her. We'll wait for a female.
Yeah, get a
Absolutely,
fucking cop.
that's common sense. Okay, all right, let's go over here, please.
Don't touch me like
Okay,
that.
do
You
not-
wanna touch me like that?
Then you move when I tell you to move. All I'm doing is put my arm around your shoulder because you're not moving. Have a seat, please.
Don't touch her then.
Which it's out. That's crazy.
Roll over, just like that. Roll over this way. Come on, I'm gonna help you out.
Why is she running from him?
I have no idea. I'm dealing with you.
Well,
Hold right here. You're not going where you want to go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay, you're gonna walk,
She like, I don't like that. His strap is real. Mine's ain't.
walk over here.
Wow, this is f***ing stupid.
I'm gonna need another cage car.
Please have a
Just
seat.
let me hold a second, please.
Ma'am,
Sir.
it's better for you to have a seat right now.
No, I
Okay.
can't right now.
Okay,
I
and
can't right now.
why is that?
Just hold on for a second. That did nothing wrong.
Okay, well, I've already explained.
This is stupid.
Okay,
This
well,
is
have
like,
a seat.
I know my rights.
And that has nothing to do about
get your
violating your rights.
supervisor.
He's right there,
Where's your supervisor then?
dealing with your
Alright
friend.
then, where's your supervisor? Do
Please have a
not
seat.
touch me. Get
No
your
one-
supervisor.
Oh,
Stupid.
It really is.
It really
This
is.
type of behavior is very stupid.
Do not touch me, dude.
Have a seat.
Get your supervisor.
And you can stay right there. My supervisor's right there
Get
watching
your
everything.
supervisor. Do not touch me like that.
No one's touching
man.
you like anything.
Yes, you are. You're being
Stop.
mean to a
Stop
woman.
pushing and resisting.
You're
Stop.
You're pushing me.
Babe, relax. 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 Babe. Oh my God. Like, this is so stupid.
that's not her first time telling her, because usually when she got to get the KY jelly, she got to tell her that too.
No one's
I
doing
don't
anything to you.
respect.
No one's doing
I
anything
don't
to you.
respect people fucking touching people. How are you gonna touch somebody like that?
What are you waiting for?
Well, you wanted a female to pat you down.
So your ass finna stand outside.
We got a female coming.
I have nothing on me, so it doesn't matter.
Well, we're gonna make sure.
Okay.
But you cannot touch a woman like that.
By your arms?
This is fucked up.
Okay.
But you need to let me go.
I don't need to let you go, ma'am. You're
Yes,
under
you
arrest.
do.
You're under arrest. No, I don't.
Hey, do you have your ID?
I do.
I'll tell you what. I'm gonna let you go right here. Are you gonna pull it out?
It's right here.
Why don't you grab it? Excellent. All I'm gonna do is run your information.
That's
All
fine.
right.
Thank you.
I'm letting you go.
Please.
All right. Let's cooperate.
Let's
not do what. Let's. But let's not do what we
I
just
love her
did.
so much. She doesn't even know it.
But that's love is crazy.
I
but-
know.
But you can't come out acting
I
like
know.
that. Okay.
I know.
You know you messed up.
I didn't mess
When
up.
we told you don't go up there, and you still charged up there. You can't do that.
I know.
All right. So you know.
All right, officer.
I wanted you to
Sorry.
stay here. We would have
I
got you
know.
home. You know, we would have
You're
taken
right.
care of you.
You're right.
But no.
You're right. 100%.
Can I at least like get my phone and shit
We
from
will
my
get
car?
that before you leave. Yes.
I don't care. Like, well, this is fucked up. And you-
Obviously, you don't. We see it. We know it.
Absolutely not.
How?
We don't need to sit here and debate. You can take that all to court.
I'll go to jail for her.
Well, you going to jail.
Aw.
I'll go to
She's
jail.
going to jail for her.
What am I going to do?
He say you going to jail for you.
For obstructing an arrest. Because when you charge an arrest like that after I told you to stay in your car, that's against the law. Also, you're intoxicated, being
I'm not
intoxicated.
intoxicated. I'll do whatever I have to do to prove that.
You got a phone case.
Yep, with my phone.
No, you got this phone.
Yeah, that's not my phone.
Okay, that's her phone?
No,
Excellent.
it's
I
not
think your
even-
phone might be in your pocket.
Who cares, right?
No, I mean, we're going to make sure you got everything. Buddy, we're not going to act like this, okay?
I'm trying to get in.
The cop is so nice. He's actually calling him by his pronouns. Like, come on, bro.
So now we're gonna wait for a female. So
All right, let's get a fucking female.
she's on the way. Stop
Then let me
walking.
go.
Stop walking
Let
away.
me go then, dog.
There's nothing to let
Let
go.
me go then.
Not when you guys
Let
have been
me the
not
fuck
when
go
you've been
then.
resisting.
I'm not resisting
You
nothing,
have been.
dog.
You
My
have
friends, my shit earn things, baby.
I'm not your baby.
She's intoxicated. You're intoxicated. That's the
I'm not
problem.
intoxicated. I don't know why you guys keep saying that. I'm emotional. I'm a Scorpio. I'm fucking emotional.
And she's about to start her time at a bomb.
That's like the love of my life.
Please let me the fuck go. He's like hurting
Will you stop resisting? Stop resisting him, ma'am.
I'm not.
resisting.
A woman
Stop.
moves and you hurt me?
Ma'am.
Nah, dude.
Ma'am.
You and
Ma'am.
yes, sir.
Calm down.
I'm calm.
All right, so let me just do circles like this.
No, just, I want you to, you're gonna stand. Buddy, stop.
I just want
Stop.
circles.
No, we're not doing circles.
I'm about to do circles for the.
You're not gonna do circles. You're gonna stay right here. I mean, if you're gonna act like
You
this.
feel better?
No,
you
we're
feel
just.
better about yourself?
No. Do you?
I feel like you do.
No, absolutely.
Ooh, I feel like you do. You're ridiculous.
You can just stay like that.
Yeah.
Stop. Will you stop?
Will you stop?
What the hell? What is she doing now?
Around.
Would you stop?
Hey, give me some help over here. Quit trying to kick me.
Oh,
Hold on there. I got it.
what she was doing jujitsu and shit on him?
Let me just see
So she's resisted again. She's battered a cop.
Keep playing games. You're gonna end up getting tased.
Put her in that car right now.
You need to knock it off right now.
I'm not doing shit. If you have a
Moving.
daughter, you
Knock
have
it
a
off.
daughter?
You need to knock it off
You have a
right now.
daughter?
It doesn't matter.
Is she in that car?
What's that?
Put her in that car.
I hate when people ask that question because my daughter would not be acting like this. I ain't gonna even lie to you.
Take a seat. Take a seat.
Give me a hobble.
All right, Juan, I got her.
You got it?
Yeah, I got the legs down.
Hey, let's do a quick pat on her real quick while she's on the ground. We're having trouble with her.
That's crazy. I would never.
We got another one in the car there.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, hurt me? What?
I don't. I'm helping you. How about that?
I appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Put that in your part. Okay.
Blow towards me.
Oh my God. Am I a fucking pig?
She's just patting you down. That's all.
I have nothing.
Okay. Well, I have to verify that for
I
their
get
safety.
You didn't leave the house without. Oh no, she didn't.
Mine. So,
But this guy does not need to be touching me.
well, unfortunately, he has to. So I'm gonna pick
Well,
up
I
the
don't
property,
feel comfortable.
and you're gonna follow their orders, and I'm gonna stay right here. All right?
I followed your orders.
Just bend at the waist.
I don't want him touching me.
All right,
bend at the
at the
waist for
waist
me.
like he asked.
Okay. What you're gonna do is you're gonna use my hands and start standing up. All right. So push your weight against my hand, and we'll stand up. 1, 2, 3. Stand up.
Come on.
That's got to be an uncomfortable way to stand up.
All right, now let's get those handcuffs back. You're gonna put your right hand above your head.
My right hand on my head.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Pull them back. Go ahead and pull those back. We'll take that one off momentarily.
Bring it around.
Thank you.
Yo, I didn't do anything to any of y'all.
Quit trying to kick me.
Oh,
Yeah, I got a
yeah, that's not nothing, right? Okay.
hobble on her because she was kicking.
Who's kicking? Yo, you guys are fucking liars.
You saw her
That's
kick?
crazy.
Oh, absolutely.
Are you that drunk that you don't remember what you just did?
Over in your car. DUI and resisting, and then resisting and battery LEO.
Yeah, public intox also.
That's so crazy. You don't know it?
No, I just got here.
Oh, you
You don't want to cooperate.
We're gonna walk this way.
I'm not going without my shoes.
We're gonna put the shoe on when we get over there. Come on.
You guys are fucking so stupid.
I had her cuffed behind her back. She kept trying to get off the car. I had to put her down. I don't know how she did it. She maneuvered, pushed me back. We went to the ground. She kicked me, and then she got her cuffs in the front.
And then when we're done with her, I need you to pat down the other one.
Can we see the seat?
I don't know. Can you see my shoe?
We're gonna
I
grab your
can't see
shoe.
Could you? So why haven't you done it?
Because we're gonna grab it. Now go ahead and sit down.
Alright. I'm not going in until I get my shoe. I feel like a fucking dog.
Put your foot. Put your foot in there. Quit kicking me.
Oh,
These shoes, stupid.
Get back in the car.
so the driver was the issue. It was the passenger.
Got it?
Yep.
All right, back up now.
We got that thing?
Yeah, the hobble's on her.
Where's the fucking lady cop?
She's right here. Relax.
Hey, you don't move.
Where's the lady cop?
Hey, you
Where's
don't-
the lady cop? No.
Put your leg in the car.
I'm
Put your leg
good.
in the car.
Okay, I will. Where's the lady cop?
Zip it
Where?
down.
Yo, you're not your man. Where's the lady cop?
Yeah,
Where the
she's-
fuck is the lady cop? You're not a lady cop. Where's the lady cop? Where the fuck is the lady
Right
cop?
behind him. Can you stop
Oh my God.
yelling? All right, I'm here. You good?
Yes.
All right.
I
Hop out
need
for
my
me.
phone. I need my shit.
Okay, we'll get it in a minute. Hop out for me. Watch your step. Yep, there you go. Ooh, careful. Come this way.
I'm here. I'm here.
Face the car. Face the car. There you go. Spread your feet as wide as you can without falling. Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, hurt
No,
me,
ma'am.
blow me up, anything silly? No. All right. Nice to you. All right.
For resistance.
If she continues, I might have to stop in your jurisdiction to hobble her.
This officer correctly predicted this suspect's behavior, as she was able to escape from her handcuffs during her transport to the jail.
Oh no.
She got him in front of her.
She took him out, and she's just like, I'm not handcuffed.
Completely?
Yeah, she's got one on.
What we'll do is we'll go for an armbar, pull her out.
In a full Nelson, like get her in a full Nelson, and then somebody grab her feet. You know what I'm saying? That way, if she get to tripping and shit, her arms just tugging away. You get what I'm saying? That's how I would do it.
As a guide, put her against the car, and then bring her.
Sounds good.
Why are you escaping out of handcuffs? Step out, step out, step out.
Step out, step out, step out, step out. Get out.
Oh, step out or get pulled out.
You're escaping out of handcuffs.
These two are just quite the couple, aren't they?
Why are you being mean? God
Someone have a handcuff key? Yep.
Yeah.
Come and see you. We tried to let you step out on your own accord. Give me some light. You go act like a normal human being?
You have a daughter?
Well, my daughter would know how to act. Let's check.
Hello. Say that shit again, officer.
So I want to make sure your wrists aren't going to get hurt here.
They're already fucking
Turn around,
hurt.
turn around.
Don't
Got it.
push
I can
me.
fist.
Hold still. We're gonna move them so they don't pinch you.
We're not
okay?
trying to hurt you. We're just trying to keep you from pulling out again.
Go ahead and have a seat.
That's what my ex used to do. I'm like, come on, man. I don't want no kids with you.
Can you bring your feet towards me, please?
Man, I don't need that.
Not the last ex, like 2 exes past removed from the last 2. So the ex that was before the last 2 exes.
Yes, ma'am. All right.
Did I say that right? We go back. Okay, yeah, I did.
Go ahead and put your feet back inside, please. Nice and easy so you don't hurt yourself. Not meant for comfort, just to let you know.
Good job, good job.
All right, thanks, guys.
Approximately 3 hours later, an officer questions one of the suspects about something they found in her possession.
Now she got on prison yellow.
Hey, I gotta ask you something, but before we go into that, I do have to advise you of your rights before I can ask you any of the questions. So you have the right to remain silent. All right, are you willing to speak with me with that? Knowing your rights? Okay. In your little makeup thing in the purse, they found a pill. Okay, it's a little blue one or whatnot. When we check it,
Blue dolphin.
it's Xanax pill. What's up with the pill being in the purse?
What?
The Xanax pill that we found in your purse. You have a prescription?
Kaylee. No, I don't.
So you're saying she put that in here?
No, it's in my possession, but it's not mine, so.
I got you. I just wanted to clear it up because it was found in your purse, that's all. I just wanted to make sure I didn't misunderstand anything. Especially if you had a prescription for it, I wanted to make sure.
No, I don't.
Okay, all right. I appreciate it. Do you have any questions for me? No? All right, thank you.
That's a good girlfriend.
So imagine this, right?
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby.